The Emperor of China was a very proud man. He always wants the best of everything.
Okay.
His palace was made of fine white bricks. The roof was solid gold. The garden was full of bright flowers with silver bells. They tinkled in the wind. The garden was very big. It was so big then that even the emperor never saw it all. He never saw the little brown nightingale.
Enggak baca semua, baca cerita macam this story is about the emperor and the nightingale. So the emperor has a big palace and he want apa dia nak? Mesti contohnya ada watak utama. Okey, watak utama tu dia buat apa? So macam dia buat apa mungkin ada kaitan dengan contoh watak kedua. So apa kaitan watak utama dengan watak kedua? Cerita kenapa?
The emperor he want best of everything.
Oh, okay. The emperor want everything the best. Everything around him the best. Okay, lagi?
The emperor was bored because
he doing nothing.
He's doing nothing. And
at his palace. Okay. Then what happened?
The nightingale came to his palace to sing because the bekerja maksud dia apa?
Bekerja?
Bekerja untuk dia punya tu.
The nightingale want to cherish. Cherish tu menggembirakan. The nightingale sing a song to the emperor for sing a song to cherish the emperor. Okay.
And once he loved it so much, the nightingale, he put in
his room, in his palace.
Tak disangka.
Cage. Yes. So the emperor put the nightingale in a cage. Okay. Then what happened?
Then the emperor of Japan wants to hear nightingale sing too. He loved it so much too.
Okay.
Then once the emperor of Japan give the emperor of China
give the nightingale.
No, give. He give nightingale, but it's a golden one.
Oh, like a toy. Okay.
Then he forgot about the nightingale.
Oh, okay.
Then the nightingale is
sad
and
became sad.
And run away of the palace.
Oh, okay.
Then the emperor was sick.
The emperor was upset. Sick. And then
after the nightingale come back, he became healthy.
Oh, okay. And then what's the end of the story? Just make it short.
The nightingale built his house on the tree. Then the tree is placed between the palace.
Oh, okay. So the nightingale can have its own shelter on the tree, but still near with the palace.
Yes.
So from that we can know that the emperor not sad anymore.
Yes.
Okay. So happy ending. Okay, thank you. What is the lesson learned? One lesson learned. What is the one lesson learned that you can get from reading that book? So, boleh cakap, one lesson learned that I get is, cakap lah, mula. One lesson learned. Lesson learned tu pengajaran.
Lesson learned
that I get
from
this book is
if
Love.
Love something, but you
Ada situ ke?
tak. Ini saya baca.
Okay. If you love something,
But you forgot all the time, and you buy a new one of it. But it became boring, and you threw them away.
oh never. Oh, okay.
Then the old one, he laughed while he's a child, and become memories.
So everything that we love, something we need to keep and appreciate it, right? Alright. Okay, good explanation. Okay, good. Okay, bagus Haras. Thank you Haras. Okay, done.